beautiful sound. Ola se ko kene o ko mo for this ko kay paulka ko stage. Okay, we got this forward first. Do you want your partner? Is that your brother? Okay. Get ready. We got our first four. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
No, not you guys. Them. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Come on, a little bit louder. Are you guys ready to see some dancing? Big round of applause for our first dancers this evening, guys. Come on, give them some support. Here we go.
What's your name, brother?
My name is Hassan.
Oh, think how old are you, so?
Your
primary school in the house. Let's go. How about you, so? Oh, yeah, I already know you. You already won. Oh, so I don't know.
My name is Gary.
Think how my Gary?
Same school again.
Oh, nice. That way, Tom Jones.
Primary school.
That's right. Yeah, Robin Louis Stevenson. Okay, that's the first half. We got our second crew coming up.
All right, guys. Big round of applause for our first dancers. We got our second group coming up right here.
Wow, we got so many entertainers.
Push it up, but never walk, baby, walk, baby, walk, baby, walk, walk, baby, walk, baby, walk, baby, walk, walk, baby, walk, baby, walk, baby, walk, walk, baby, walk, baby, walk, baby, walk.
RSA, yes or no?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What's your name also?
Excalibur.
Oh, figure out. Oh, sorry.
Excalibur. That is the best
Expensively,
name.
Molly. Figure out my Excalibur.
First brothers.
Best boys in the house. How about you, so?
Wow.
My name is Eddie. School of Mines.
Alicia. And the only queen out tonight. What's your name, sister?
Sierra.
Oh, figure out my Sierra.
First.
Wow, it looks like we have ourselves a winner for tonight. But you might want Sierra. Congratulations, Sierra.
All right. Sierra, amazing work. Good job,
Thank you to all our dancers, all the boys, unlucky yous.
Hey, next time, guys. Next time. Be here tomorrow.
Get out of here.
Yeah, I just thought she wasn't going to do anything, and then all of a sudden, just fire.
So, King has got some moves.
Amazing. Almost as good as your uncle. Almost.
Yeah, the 10 million name, we're just going to jump back to more music. Lela Suso Mai, Faafiafiaga, Tassi and Ali's. That's right, guys. Live performances from the boys.
Yeah, it's going to be amazing. These guys are fantastic. If you haven't seen them before, you're in.
Your dancing partner is not really 18. She's 28. Okay, and how about our third partner for tonight? Far from side with our defending partner champion, Sept. And how about our last partner for tonight? The one and only, young Sepa. Sepa, your only voter for tonight was your man Huey. And because all of you guys voted, and thank you very much for helping out. I thought I was right earlier on. All of these guys did too good, and I think they're all the champions for tonight. But thanks for voting. You guys will be getting some mellows from, of course, the STA, representing beautiful Vili. Teuila. Thank you very much, Pa. I'll tell you, Sept.
Thanks. We got our special vouchers for all our dancers out tonight. Shawoma, the team here, Samoa Recycling Management Association. Shout out to them over here on the left. The giveaway tonight is for the dancers. One more time to dance so they can receive themselves DMC vouchers. So, back to more music.
Let's do it. I'll tell you, Sepa. So yeah. How about another big round of applause for our friends who's dancing with us tonight. Thank you very much, outside. Once again, we'd like to say thank you very much, Ata, Far from Sa, Lipo, and of course the man himself, Young Sepa, for making this way much better show. But from Tassie and the Leeds, we'd like to say thank you very much, STA, for the opportunity. It's really an honor to be part of the Teuila Festival once again. But from Tassie and the Leeds, God bless you all. So far, so forth. Thank you very much.
Halo Samoa, halo uncle. Ya, Teuila. Teuila.
Yes, malo le Faafiafiaga. Muchacho música sui Filoi Molinea Fiafi. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the night tonight. Well, we got a special treat for you guys. Not only for everybody celebrating their birthdays today, we got a special one, Jerry. Where are you, Uncle Jerry? Jerry Brunt, this song is dedicated to you, CEO, boss man at Orators Hotel. He's celebrating his 21st?
21st plus maybe 4.
21st plus some days. Yes, this song is dedicated. Also, not only Jerry, Nathan Bucknell celebrating his birthday today. That's right. Boss man over there at Teuila Island Resort.
All right. Shout out for the Virgo babies. Hey, do you know it's my birthday tomorrow?
How's your birthday tomorrow?
No, but you know,
That's what I thought. No one asked, Huey. Not only celebrating the CEOs' birthdays of different organizations, everybody celebrating their special days today. This song is dedicated to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jerry. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
boss men over there at Teuila and the Orator. Guys, we're going to be carrying on a little bit more with the music. We've got Vili's coming up very soon. They're getting in their press-ups, making sure their muscles are nice and big and puffed up, much like Sepha's. We'll be back real soon. Let's go.